Hey Python learners! In our last video, we built a handy temperature converter. Now we are taking a step back in time with a fun twist, converting numbers into Roman numbers using Python. It's a simple yet fascinating project. You will learn how to break down numbers, use conditions, and build a converter that feels like magic. So let's dive in. So first of all, we will print hello, and then we can write like this, number into Roman numbers. And then we will print. Let's begin. Then we will take input from the user. Integer input. Enter your number between 1 and 39. So today we are making a program to convert numbers into Roman numbers that are between 1 and 39. In the further videos, we will enhance this program further. So first we will give if the input by the user is 1. Then we will print I, else if a is equal to 2, then we will print 2, and then we can copy this. So if it's 3, and then it will be 4, then 5, 6. Let's write these first: 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is 7. I'm sorry, this is 8. This is 7. This one is 9. This one is 10. And this is 9, so we will write like this. And this one is 10. 10 is x. And then we will write the condition if a is greater than 10 and a is smaller than 21. Then we will take another variable z, which is a minus 10. So a will be the input by the user, which is between 10 and 21. Let's say for example 20. So a will be, if a is 20, then z's value will be 10, and then we will print x, and we will write end is equal to like this, and we will give the same conditions here. That is, if it is 11, then it will print a 10, and then it will print the value of z. So value of z will be 1. Then okay, we need to indent this one. So yes, and then this will be, if z is equals to 1, then it will be printed x here and then I. So it means 11 will be printed. So we just need to write z here. And here we are done with the numbers till 20. Now let us move further. if we want this between 20 and 31, then we will just change a is greater than 20 and a is smaller than 31, and z's value will be a minus 20, and here it should be xx, which means 20. So if the input number is 21, then z's value will be 1, and then this is printed. So here you go till 30. Now let us write if the number is between 30 and 40, then z will be a minus 30 and this will be 30. So if a is 31, then z will be 1, and then this, that is 31, will be printed. And we can remove this one. And here we will print else please enter number between 1 to 39. So how this program will work is, first it will print hello, I will convert your number. I will convert your number into Roman number. Then it will print let's begin, and then it will take the input from the user. So the input should be, that is the number given by the user, should be between 1 and 39. If it is not between 1 and 39, then this will be printed. Please enter number between 1 to 39. So if a is 1, that is input by the user is 1, then this will be printed, and so on till 10. And for the numbers between 10 and 21, we took another variable which is a minus 10, and then we have printed this because in 11 to 20 x is common, and then just we add 1, 2 or 3 according to the numbers. Similar is for the numbers between 20 and 31, and for 30 and 40. So we are ready with the program. Now let's run this. There is some error, and it is in the line 32. Okay, so it should be indented. Now let's see. In 55 also, and here also. Now let us see. If we enter 32, then you can see it has printed 32. And if we enter 40, let's say, then it has written please enter number between 1 to 39. Okay, let us see few more, like 23, then you can see it has printed 23. If we check for a single digit, let us say 6, then you can see it has printed 6. So it's a very easy program and useful too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding!